Welcome back guys, this is Swayam from Askmefunnels, and in this video we are gonna talk about the another script which you may use in your Askmefunnels, which you may use in your sales funnels. And the trick is basically scroll to top on lesson open. Alright, so as the name defines, it helps users to scroll to the top when they click on the new lessons. For example, let's say I want to open the 25 purity t-shirt design section. Alright, when I click on the introduction tab, the page automatically scroll to the top of the sections. Alright, so when I click on the CF tips and tricks section, it automatically scroll to the top of the sections. Alright, so what you need to do is basically why you need to do is because it helps you to provide a better user experience, either they are on the mobile phone or on their desktop or their laptop, and they do not need to scroll manually to the top of the section and to get all the details related to that particular section. All right, to enable this functionality, what you need to do is just head over to the scroll to top on lesson open section, scroll down a little bit. All right, copy the script from here and get back to the your editor. Right, click on the settings and head over to tracking code, and under the footer section enter the scroll to top on lesson open. All right, so what this script does, this script will help you to enable the functionality where you would be able allow your users to automatically scroll to top on the lesson. If you are not if you do not want to make this functionality working, just remove the code from the tracking code section, and you would be able to get back to the default functionality of Clicfunnels membership area. So basically this code help you to provide the better experience, and if you have a membership funnels inside your Clickfunnel, you may use this code to enable the scrolling. Alright, so I hope this script will help you to make a better user experience, and if you have any questions or any inquiry, or if you want any kind of a script apart from all these mentioned under the CF tips and tricks section, just head over to the right bottom corner and click on the need support button over here, and you would be able to grab the answers of all your query. And if you want to contact me, just click on the need support button and click on the contact us, and I would be really glad to help you related to your sales funnel inquiries. So I hope this video helps you to better understand how you can make the advanced membership using Clickfunnels platform. In the next video we will talk about the another tip, and till then, thanks for watching with this video with me to this video, and use these tips and tricks to make better funnels from now onwards. Thanks for watching.